Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can delete bulk products in your Wix website. So first of all let me type wix.com, and in Wix Studio I have multiple websites. So let me select one of these. Now in Wix dashboard, on the left side here you can see different options. Simply you need to go in catalog, then go to store products and again click on the products. Now here you can see these are all of the products currently in this store websites. There are 12 products, but if you have, for example, hundreds of products, then simply you can go and click on this checkbox, and here you can see these are 12 products selected. After that click on delete button, then again delete. So products are deleted. In this way you can easily delete bulk products in your Wix website.